Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean, Mary Beanmas. For today's look, I just created this holiday look. I'm feeling very holiday elf-esque. I think it came out really cute. I'm loving these colors together and I just feel very cozy and Christmassy and I really like it. Before we hop into it, this choker is from the brand Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BEAUTBEAN to save 10%. It is a commission code just so you're aware, but it's there if you want to use it. I don't know if my plugs show in the video at all, but these plugs are from Hear No Evil Jewelry on Etsy. Again, you can use BEAUTBEAN to save 10%, but that is not a commission code. It's just for you to save money. I have no clue where this beanie's from, and this wig is a Christmas brand wig. You can check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling on that. Anyways, with all that being said, let's just hop in and create this holiday look. Hello, good morning. How are you? I'm excited to create another holiday look for you. Again, don't really have a vision, just like with the first look. I'm just gonna kind of play with greens and burgundies and probably a mixture of gold and silver again, and just kind of see what happens. That's what I'm feeling. Today's only November 11th, so this one is also super pre-filmed, but I'm still super pumped to get into another holiday look. Again, I did start with primer, foundation, concealer, and like a little bit of contour, but we're gonna do blush and highlight together because I feel like that just adds to the fun of this. So for a lot of my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be playing with the Vintage Rose and Christmas Morning from Give Me Glow Cosmetics because they just have the prettiest Christmas colors in these palettes. And I'm definitely gonna be using Velvet Petals because I do wanna have that burgundy aspect, and I kinda wanna try to use this lightly as a blush. This one I've never tried to use as a blush, so we will see. I wanna keep it, again, just very focused kind of right in this zone, so I don't want it like all over my face, but that's what I want to do. I'm dipping in the tiniest bit, tap it off like crazy because Give Me Glow shadows are so pigmented. And I'm just going to start going to town, just kind of stamping it around out here. Just to give a nice little burgundiness to it. And obviously my wig's not glued down as usual. It's actually working really nicely, just like a little dabble do ya. That's pretty. How are you doing? I hope your month is going well. I'm really excited to just get into holidays. I'm so ready for Thanksgiving food, even though that will have already been happened by the time this video goes up. I'm just excited for Christmas. What do you like to do during the month of December? What traditions do you have? I just usually try to watch a ton of Christmas movies, eat lots of peppermint desserts, because that's the best thing ever. Of course, I'm gonna blush the nose because it wouldn't be me if I didn't. And honestly, like, winter is the season to have a blush nose. It is okay to look cold when it's cold. I hope it's cold by the time December rolls around. It's been hot this week. And we're actually in the midst of a tropical storm right now. That's gonna come today. Not at me directly, but we're gonna get a lot of rain because of the outskirts of it. It's pretty much summer here in Florida still. Taking my brush I used for my setting powder just to really attack this blush, help it blend into the skin even better. And now for fake freckles, I want to go pretty freckled today. That's what I'm feeling. So I'm going to take my Colourpop soft brown freckle pen. Obviously, don't feel pressured to do freckles if they make you mad. It's literally not that deep. I just think they're cute, and I'm feeling very like elf-like with this green beanie and burgundy wig, so I just want to go ham with the freckles and just add some extra cuteness. What's your favorite Christmas movie? Noelle, that came up on Disney Plus last year. That's one of their originals. That's like my favorite thing ever. Ever since I discovered it last year, it's been my favorite. I probably watched it 30 times last year. I've only watched it twice so far this year, as of November 11th. But it's so cute. Obviously Home Alone, all the Grinch movies. I didn't even hate that new animated one that came out last year. I thought it was cute. It wasn't like anything revolutionary, but it was cute. Gonna take my blush brush. I'm actually gonna wipe it off so there's even less product, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it over my freckles to help them just kind of mesh in even more. Did I say Home Alone? I love Home Alone. The first and second one, of course. I love the old Rudolph movie and Frosty the Snowman movies. I love Elf is always a classic, of course. There's just so many good ones. For highlight, I'm gonna use my Give Me Glow one in the shade Snowflake. It's kind of what's on my shoulders right now. It's just a super bright frosty white. Just gonna top that upon my little cheekbones. So pretty. Have you decorated for Christmas yet as of the moment that this video is up? I decorated on November 1st. I just love holiday decor. I'll probably do a holiday decor haul soon if it's not already up, like I did for my Halloween decor haul. I haven't purchased that many holiday items for Christmas, but I'll probably still do a video because I like seeing what people get as far as decorations, so it's fun for me to film. All right, gonna spray my face now with the Milk Makeup Hydrogrip setting spray, and then we'll move on to the eyes. All right, let's hop into the eyes. I'm excited even though I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm thinking I want the crease to be just very blown out green with it cut with some maybe silver into gold action, and then just a very smoked out burgundy lower lash line to kind of fade into the blush. I think that might be pretty, and I want to do a burgundy lip today. Let's just give it a shot, shall we? I'm priming with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm not going to set it because I don't prefer to do that. How about it? All right, in the Christmas Morning palette, I'm going to take Under the Tree right here, that cute green, and I basically just want this green smoked out everywhere. So I'm going to take this little e.l.f. brush. It's the e.l.f. Pointed Eye Pencil Brush, and I'm going to just take that and pop it right here in the outer corner. I'm going to be careful not to put it on the lower lash line because I do want like reds down there, and you don't want to directly mix red and green or you'll get mud. They are complementary colors. They look super cute next to each other. They don't really blend together. But I'm just going to take this all the way from inner to outer corner. Such a pretty shade. I love this palette. I'm pretty sure they're restocking it again this Christmas season. I got mine like 2 years ago. It's been a while now. I'm pretty sure they always restock it, so hopefully they do. I'm going to take just the teensiest bit more on this fluffy Juno brush, and I'm going to tap it off so there's hardly anything. And I'm just going to very lightly, holding the end of my brush so that I have light pressure, I'm just going to start swirling at the edge. Just taking my time, light little motions, just trying to help diffuse it. I do want this pretty dramatic and blown out, but I also want it to be blended, obviously. Wiping off that brush occasionally so that it stays as clean as possible while I go to town on this green. Getting a little bit of green fallout down here. Let me just tap my highlight brush over that, try to blend that out. Got a little too much on my brush, my friend. What was Christmas like for you when you were a kid if you celebrate? We always did family presents on Christmas Eve, like at night. Like we would sit around the tree and have our family presents, and then Santa's presents would come on Christmas Day morning, of course. So that was fun. Always left out cookies for Santa, of course, and something for the reindeer. It was cute. It was never like a huge ordeal. Like we never had like a huge family get together. We didn't even have like Christmas dinner. I didn't even know that was a thing until I was like a teenager. I didn't know people did that. We just had like snacks all day long, like Christmassy snacks. And honestly, I still love that. Even as an adult, I'm like, Christmas dinner, I don't want that. I just want to eat like snacks all day. That's the best. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Milk and Cookies shade, this brown, just to help blend things a little bit. I feel like I'm getting a little patchy with just this green alone. I think I went in with a little too much to start with. That's my fault. So I just want to add a little bit of brown in here to help. I feel like I'm having a really bad skin day. Like I had trouble with applying my foundation and it making it look good. I feel like it took me way longer to apply my makeup today than usual. Maybe my face is just having a day where it doesn't want to wear makeup, but we're gonna make it work. Yes, we are. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Under the Tree. Add a little bit more in here. I'm going to make this work. I never have problems with this palette. I literally think I'm just having an off day. I feel like some days our faces just don't want to do it. Let's go ahead and move forward and do our cut creasy stuff. I want to cut it with this Santa's sleigh and have it fade into the gold towards the bottom. I think that'll be pretty. I really like the mixed metals when it comes to holiday. I just think it's cute. I'm gonna take this old flat Colourpop brush. There's not even a name on it. And this NYX Glitter Primer, of course, because I use this with every shimmer. I'm going to spread this across my lid, and I'm just going to create some cut action. I might add some glitter into this look too. I think that might be pretty. I'm just patting across the lid, going right above my natural crease, just following my eyeball shape. And now taking Santa's sleigh, that beautiful, beautiful silver, going to just follow right where that cut is. Yes, ma'am. That is so bright and pretty. And just in case you're new, I like to place multiple shimmers in a cut crease at kind of a diagonal. So I'm putting a little bit more focus towards this front portion and have it fade a little skinnier towards the top of this half cut crease so that it can be kind of like that. Flipping the brush over because we're not trying to waste a bunch of brushes. I'm going to take Pajamas and take that gold right underneath that silver. Are you a silver person or a gold person? With my jewelry, I'm much more of a gold person. I am not a silver person at all. I don't know if I own a single piece of silver jewelry, actually. Gold's just my favorite, or rose gold. Rose gold's what my rings are, my wedding rings. I don't know why I'm talking about that. Silver and gold's just very holiday, you know. Taking that blending brush just to lightly blend right here so it can flow from matte to shimmer nicely. But I do think I'm going to add some sparkle into the mix because holiday, you know? Kind of like that. I think that's pretty. Let's start working on the lower lash line now. I want to take from the Vintage Rose palette this Velvet Petal shade right here. I'm going to take it on the smudgy brush just so I can get really close to the lower lash line. This brush in particular is I think a Morphe MB16. The name's very rubbed off. I've had this for a million years. But I want to just tuck this right up against the lashes. And then I'm going to blow it out with red just to have a very smoky burgundy lower lash line. It's kind of what I'm feeling today. I feel like this is going to be one of these looks that looks kind of scary until it's complete. I have faith. Now that it's coming together, I'm having a vision about it. I think it's going to be nice. Here we go, just taking this downtown. Just like that. And to help blend that out, I'm going to take Cozy Fire, just a teeny bit of it, because again, these shadows are so pigmented, it's insane. I'm just going to take this blending brush and go to town. It's a smaller blending brush. I do not have very much product. Again, I'm holding the end of my brush so I have light pressure. I'm just going to blend it out, just slowly but surely. Patience is key with super pigmented shadows. I feel like these shadows, as a general rule, blend really nice, but they are pigmented, so it's better to just use a small amount and take it slow. And I really do want this shade to be blown out pretty far down, just because we have that very like rosy cheek kind of look, and I think that'll be cute to have it all fade together. And I also just feel like a heavy lower lash line always looks super cute. If you do have like a big Christmas get together or a small one, do you dress fancy on Christmas, or are you like a pajamas all day kind of person? I'm a pajamas all day kind of person. It was funny because our apartment before this one, so I guess maybe 2 or 3 Christmases ago, we had my parents and siblings over, and we like brought all their presents over under our tree so we could host our little Christmas together. And I was in my pajamas because that's what you do, you wear Christmas pajamas. And my whole family showed up wearing like nice clothes, and I was like, all right, let me go change real quick, I'll be back. I was like, we don't do that, what do you guys do? It was so funny. Oh, I'm liking this. I feel like that lower lash line is just tying things together. For my inner corner highlight, before I go in with glitter, I'm just going to take Snowflake that I used for my face. Just going to pop it there, a nice bright white inner corner. Super, super cute. And now for glitter, I have this Glitterly Obsessed from Colourpop, Illy So Much. Well, I guess it's ILYSM. I literally read that out loud as Illy So Much because that's literally what it means. I love you so much. My brain. But I want this kind of in the outer corner and kind of maybe fading a little bit through the crease, just like little twinkles of it, not overkill. We'll see though. Sometimes glitter just gets out of control. These are not intended for use around the eye area. Do what I say, not as I do. Be very careful if you're using glitter around your eye. And if you do, I recommend just doing very small like up and down motions. You don't really want to sweep with this because there is adhesive inside of it. And you don't want it to mess with your shadow underneath. I'm just aiming for a little twinkle moment. That's what I want out of this glitter. Might pop a little in the inner corner as well. Why not? Holidays are the season for glitter. Oh, I think that's pretty, and it kind of reflects like pinky reddish gold. I think that kind of goes with it nicely. Ooh, I like this. Very cute. I'm going to repeat this on the other eye, throw on my eye pencil, lashes, lip, and I guess I'll be back when I'm complete. I feel like I look like an elf about to celebrate the holiday season. I think this came out really cute. I really like just this combination of this deep burgundy with that green and then the gold and silver. Really like this whole vibe. I hope you do too. The eye pencil I paired with this is Glitzy Gold from NYX. I just felt like that gold pop in the waterline just tied in with that lid really nicely. My lashes are Hallowqueen from Esta. I know it's the Halloween pair, but it's early November as I'm filming this. I love these lashes. They're just so big and fluffy. And on my lips, I went with Anthurium from Menagerie. I could be butchering that pronunciation, and I'm so sorry, but it's the most beautiful burgundy wine color. And I just felt like I needed it for this look. It's so cute. I love this overall vibe. I really hope you guys do too. I think this is a really cute holiday look. Obviously, if you recreate this, you can customize and tweak it to suit you. You don't have to do the glitter. You don't have to do this lip. You could do just like a neutral. You could really do whatever you want. Just use it as inspiration. We're just having fun here. I love this. Anyways, let's just zoom out and finish up this video. All right, hello. I hope you liked that. I hope you enjoyed this holiday look. I really like this one. So far, I might like this one more than the first look, but I really liked that pepperminty kind of look as well. I don't know which one's my favorite so far. I truly hope you're having a good December. I hope you're having a good holiday season. I hope you're just staying cozy and drinking lots of hot chocolate and just having a good time. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave me a holiday related emoji, whatever that means to you. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeatBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with Black Lives Matter. There's a link in my description box that will take you to resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.